What's up, guys? Chris with Bassmaster, back with the Blackjack V2, running on 6S CNHL Dynamite 120. Let's get it in. That was a little quarter throttle pass right there. Whew! Yes, yes. Whew, son. Something happened, guys. Throttle completely cut. There it goes, it came back. That was weird. I don't know what that was about. Then it quit again. I gotta get it in really quick and see what that's about. I bet you I know what it is. It's water in the receiver box. I'm so sick of that. I'm so sick of the water in the receiver box crap. That's exactly what it is. Water in the receiver box. I can tell by the way the servo's acting. No throttle. There's enough throttle to get me back to shore. Well, guys, that's it on this one. We done got water in the receiver. That's what I need to do, is remind myself when I get home to get frickin' balloons or something to wrap this receiver up in. This is a common issue. If anybody's got any ideas other than balloons, comment down below, please. I know once I get the hatch tape, it shouldn't be a problem, but when I run without the hatch tape, I get one pass really, then it becomes a problem because it gets water in the receiver box. So anyway, guys, I already know that's what's wrong with it. It's happened a million times already. All right, guys, sorry about that. Comment down below, like and subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you guys have any ideas about the watertight, making that box watertight or protecting the, I'm probably just gonna take that receiver out and get some of that, what do they call it? Can't think of the name of it, but it's what they use to waterproof ESCs. I'm gonna order some of that as soon as we get off this video. Anyway, guys, have a good weekend. Happy Labor Day. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Smash the notification bell so you'll get notified when I drop fire RC content like this. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.